We can't flush the toilet paper down the toilet. Yep, that's right. I visited one of my baby cousin over the weekend. I stayed with her at her luxury apartment complex, okay? So when I get there, she gave me some rules of the apartment complex, but she added one special rule. She said to me, we can't flush toilet paper down the toilet. I said, what are you talking about? She was like, we can't do that. I go, since when? She goes, oh, we got an email earlier this week. I said, show it to me. Ta-da, here it is. It goes, please do not flush toilet paper down the toilet. It can cause blockage in the plumbing system and lead to costly repairs and disruptions to the water supply for all residents. This policy is essential to prevent damage and maintaining a functional plumbing system for everyone. We kindly ask that you dispose of toilet paper in the appropriate waste bin instead. I looked at my cousin and go, did they provide you some special waste bin for these waste materials? And she goes, no. I go, well, how are you disposing of it? She goes, I just put it in like a little Ziploc bag or an old grocery bag and I tie it up and then I just put it in the regular trash can. I said, absolutely not. We're not doing. She goes, I don't want to get in trouble. I'll go, listen, sweetheart, how are they going to figure out who flushed what down what apartment? Oh, well, that toilet paper came from apartment 305. No, ma'am, we're not doing that. Go, if you don't allow me to flush the toilet, I am going to stay at the nearest hotel because I have to flush toilet paper down the toilet. For those that ask, my baby cousin does live in the U.S. and she lives in a major U.S. city. I'll give you a hint. It gets about 120 degrees there. So y'all should figure out what state that is. Can you imagine the summertime that's coming up? The stench? I told her, send me your contract, your lease contract, because I want to go over it because it states right here it's a policy. So I want to see if it's in the contract. Nope.